Ever wondered how AI assistants connect to documents, databases, and external tools? That's where LangChain comes in. LangChain is an open-source framework that helps developers build powerful applications using large language models, or LLMs. LangChain acts as a bridge between language models, external data sources, and tools, enabling AI to perform more complex tasks. LangChain provides features like memory, retrieval, agents, and tool calling, allowing AI applications to become smarter and more useful. Developers use LangChain to create chatbots, document question answering systems, customer support assistants, and autonomous AI agents. Simply put, LangChain helps connect AI models with real-world data and tools, making AI applications far more powerful and practical.